My name is Vicki and today I'm going to teach you how to make flourless pancakes. This recipe calls for 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's a go-to for me. My little gal loves them. And because it's so quick, easy, only 3 ingredients, and it freezes well. Usually when I make this recipe, I double or triple the batch, so I can freeze these for up to 2 months. And then a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then you want to blend it for about a minute. So when I make these, I use a griddle because I can make a lot at one time, and I like to use these fancy little batter holders because the batter is quite thin. You do want to make sure after you're done beating it that it is more of a foamy consistency. I typically turn the griddle to 350 degrees. So this recipe makes 14 servings, 14 pancakes, 3-inch round pancakes. And then you just pour, and you want to get about the third of the way into the little holder. You want to cook them about a minute and a half before you flip them. These are not heavy, they feel really light, and they do have more of a pancake texture. I've tried other keto pancakes before that are like almond flour or something along those lines, and they're really thick and heavy or dense. Where these, the texture is more like an actual pancake. And so is the flavor. And if you're trying to stay low carb, there is sugar-free syrup. It's made with sweetener. Otherwise, sometimes I like to put berries on them.